Today I'm gonna make a simple, easy earring stand. One that you can bring to your craft fair. Yeah, one that you can display earrings on, and there's a craft fair this weekend, so we're making one. For this video I'm gonna be using maple. You can use any wood, but just make sure it's a nice size. Alright, so I cut 3 notches in this board. I ran the blade through twice just because I wanted to make them a little deeper, a little thicker, so the earring holders hook on there easier. But now, all I need to do, this is pretty sharp still, so I'm just going to touch this up with a little sandpaper on each groove. And then all it needs is a hinge. Super simple, super easy. Straight cut. So this board is actually from a old, new build on some treads, some stair treads, and this is just the excess off of that, so staying scrappy as always. Well, there you have it. Nice little earring. Well, there you have it. Nice little earring holder stand for your craft fair or whatever it is you need to hold earrings for. We're selling some earrings this weekend, so that's why I made it. But it is a little rinky dink, but I think it looks pretty good. It's not too flamboyant to bring attention to itself, but it brings a lot of attention to the earrings. Let's go test it out. I'd say that works pretty good. If you guys tune in and stayed to the end of the video, thanks. I hope you subscribe and stick around, because we'll be making more videos like this. But if not, it was nice to see you, nice to chat with you, and hope you have a good day.